Punctuation is a collection of symbols or marks that we use to properly explain the meaning of our sentences and keep the text flowing smoothly. It shows when we should take a pause, split ideas, indicates when a phrase is quoting someone else's words, and does a variety of other important things. First, full stop. The full stop is the longest pause in a passage and is used as follows. After every complete sentence, a modest demand, or an oblique query. Radha asked me where I was going. The bus driver asked us where we wanted to go. Second, comma. The comma is the shortest pause and is used to separate a set of words inside a sentence. Rohit, don't criticize others. My ideal teacher, Mr. Sharma, is a very honest person. Rohit, Nisha, Mahesh attended a wedding together. Third, exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used after words, phrases, and sentences that indicate intense emotions or quick mental thoughts. What a good advice. That really hurts. Fourth, apostrophe. An apostrophe plus s is used to form the possessive of singular nouns and abbreviations of singular items. A girl's hat. Ram and Akshay's shop. It is also used to show the omission of letters. 7 o'clock. I'm buying a new car. Fifth, semicolon. The semicolon represents a longer pause than the comma. Drink milk, for it is a perfect diet. Take care of your health, otherwise, you will be ill. Sixth, hyphen. The hyphen connects the parts of a compound word. Writing table. Great-grandfather. 7th, quotation marks. The quote marks are used to convey the speaker's exact words. Also used for the title of a book, essay, poetry, etc. She said, I am going to Delhi. The Jungle Book is a very interesting story. 8th, question mark. A question mark is used after a direct question. Where are you going? Who is knocking the door?